In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use list colors in Trello. If you've ever opened a busy board and wished your list stood out at a glance, list colors are a simple built-in way to add visual structure. They tint the list header and background, helping your team see status, priority, or themes without reading every card. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. From here, you can either create a new board or open one you already use. If you're starting fresh, click the Create button at the top and set up a board name and visibility. If you already have a board in mind, just select it to open. Inside the board, remember the layout. Lists run from left to right and cards live inside each list. Choose the list you want to color. Move to the top of that list and open its menu by clicking the three dots on the list header. This reveals actions specific to that list, like sorting cards, archiving, and the one we want today. Click Change List Color. A color picker opens with a curated palette that works well with Trello's interface and keeps text readable. Now, select the color you want. As soon as you click a color, the list updates so you can immediately see how it looks with your cards. If you're using colors to encode meaning, try a simple system. For example, cooler tones for planning, warm tones for in-progress work, and a neutral tone for done. The goal is consistency, so your brain learns the pattern and finds information faster. If you change your mind, just pick a different color. You can adjust these anytime by reopening the same menu. A few quick tips for clarity. Aim for contrast. Choose colors that keep card text easy to read. If your team uses labels on cards, pick list colors that don't clash with those labels. And if the color option isn't visible on your list menu yet, make sure you're on the latest Trello version or try the web app, as features can roll out gradually. That's it. Open your board, select a list, open the three-dot menu, choose Change List Color, and pick the color that communicates best. Use the same process on other lists to build a clean visual language across your board. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more organized Trello workspace.